What's good, everybody? I'm Bino. Welcome back to my channel, and today we got another unboxing. For those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe down below, comment down below, share with your friends or family. I don't give a fuck who or what you do with it. As long as you help the YouTube algorithm for this channel, we will continue to grow. Basically, the 99 family will continue to grow. But in that case, how y'all doing? I hope y'all doing good. A blessed day. Happy Autism Awareness Month for all those kids out there who have autism. I'm a big supporter of that. But let's not get to that part. So for today, we got another unboxing from another friend who I am not gonna say the name, but shout out to them for sending me this box. And I don't know what it is, I just got it. Usually I just pick it up, put it in my room, and then just work on ideas and stuff like that. Or just work on other things, you know, homework. I know finals is tough for those of y'all who are in college or who are in high school. Yeah, just keep grinding. I know we got a couple more weeks till June, but graduating, and for the next year, people graduating as well too. We're gonna grind it out. But enough said than that, let's get to the shoe. Like I said, I don't have no clue what's inside of this shoe at all. But I hope it's pretty dope, in my opinion. I hope it's good. I hope it's like a surprising sore eye. First off, I hate using this knife because I'm really afraid I'm gonna cut my thumb. Not completely off, but cut it in general. That popped out. There you go. Yep. We on the road now. Alright, let me see right here. Off the animal, as people would say, take the skin off the animal, you know. So it's kind of funny. All right, flip the box over, as y'all can see. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we on the roll. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Inside here, she's brown. All right. Oh my gosh, yo, that's fucking wild. They actually sent me this. So I'll remove the wrap around, the bubble wrap around this. Hey. Hey. Aw, that's one thing I hate. When they have a packaging box, at least protect the box too. Because I don't want my boxes having like a fucked up tip on the side. Pause. The brown, I'll probably say khaki. Almost like a Travis Scott box. Air Jordan 4. AKA Travis Scott, but not really Travis Scott. We got the box. The box looks really nice. Like, it looks really nice. Like, to see the differences, but I don't. So let's look inside. Okay, what we got? What we got? What we got? Ooh, yo. Hey, yo, these shits is clean. Oh my gosh, bro. These shits is clean as hell. Like, yo, look at this. Look at this. This is nuts. So, we finally got the Taupe Haze 4s. It's been a while, but we got them. I mean, shit, like, we actually got them. That's crazy. We actually got them. And this shoe kind of reminds me of Travis Scott 4. I remember, Colo talked about this one. I don't know if Minor Kicks talked about this one, but I do know a couple other people talked about this one. This shoe is crazy. Like, if you was to walk in these already, literally the whole part of it, I don't know if y'all can see, like, because the cracks can blend in on the camera, but if y'all look much closer than that, the cracks right here can easily just be removed. You don't have to remove them easily. You could wear them and see what happens, but But yeah, like I said, I don't want to give y'all options. You can do whatever you want with the shoe. The shoe is a shoe. It's not gonna change the shape or nothing. That's it. All I know is that this shoe is clean. It's smooth. Whew, it got that aggressive shoe smell. Man, it just every time you sniff the shoe, it looks like low key you want to get high. Please don't try that at all. But the suede is nice. Like, look at that suede. Look at that suede. That suede is too sexy. Let me put the suede. It's too sexy, man. Too sexy. And the best thing about this is that you can see the suede crystal clear on camera, but in person, hell nah. You're blind as a bat outside without any tools. But yeah. Also, did y'all see my Celtics jersey? Yeah. Yeah, go Celtics. They got that pick. But this shoe is actually amazing, in my opinion. It's really amazing. The bubble inside the shoe is great as well. I don't know if y'all can see that, the bubble as well. It looks really good. It looks really confirmed and dense inside the shoe. The Jumpman. Man, let me tell you about Jumpmans on the Jordan 4. I always had a problem with the Jumpmans on the Jordan 4s ever since middle school. It always been a big problem to me because they used to look crooked. Like, they used to look very crooked. I don't know, in my last video I mentioned that the Jordan 4 Jumpman look on the tongue looked very crooked on my University Blue 4s, but not on them now, but like just more like an example, not physically on them. Don't get confused with those two. But the Jumpman is great. Even the tongue got a little bit of cracks there too, so I might want to be careful about where I place my thumb. It's easy to remove the cracked skin off the shoe. It's easy to remove with your fingers, so you might want to be careful. The suede looks good. The cracks, I'll say the peeling skin looks amazing. Like, yo, if I was to wear this on a daily basis, man, I'd probably see the true definition of the shoe. Like, it looks good. Even the I forgot the name of the side right here. I forgot the name. Dang. The little, I call these the little boxes, the 4 square boxes inside the shoe looks amazingly well. It depends on which option shoe you get out of the Taupe Hazes, because you always want to make sure you recognize the cut. And every time you look at the cut, you have to look at it very detailed. But, you know, they're all the same. There's no which is perfect, which is which. They all look the same. You can have a shoe that has a freaking like excessive glue and you won't even tell, like only on basketball shoes. But Jordans, yes, they do that. Jordan 4 specifically, sometimes they do that, sometimes they don't. I don't know, I don't care. I just wear the shoes and that's it. But yeah, the bottom looks amazingly well too. It kind of reminds me of my bright crimson Vapor Max 360, not Vapor Max 360s, Vapor Max Pluses, because they have this color, but it's not brown. I wish it was brown, but sadly no. But this shoe is amazing. I feel like wearing it right now, but this shoe is beautiful. The smell is beautiful. Everything looks good to me. And yeah, some people complain about the straps. I know in my last video I talked about the straps on the side, but overall it's kind of like a peekaboo version. Like, it's like that. They just sort of do that just so that it could be close, but everything's on point. Even if you try to fit your index finger here on the side, it's perfectly good. Same thing with this side. It's good as well too. It's really good. But yeah, they did a good job on this shoe, man. Like, I don't see no flaws on this shoe at all. This shoe is really amazing. I just had to get a good whiff at this again. Whew! Man, this shit look really good, bro. Really good. Also, shout out to Reppin' Kicks. That's Brody, big bro right there. Shout out to PD. Shout out to Ethan, 99 Live, Air Heath, Jay the Soul, AV Shoe Plug, Rep Kicks. I said Reppin' earlier, but Rep Kicks. Yeah, shout out to Rep Kicks as well. Shout out to Kick Queens. Shout out to Mia. Shout out to everybody that watched the channel. Shout out to my boy Lennon as well too. He's been gone for a minute, but he's back now, so hopefully, like, what content he got. But shout out to everybody for supporting this channel. But overall, shout out to the people that gave me this shoe. I thank y'all for sending me this shoe, and I hope what can you send me next? Literally, like, this shoe is amazing. I love this shoe. Shoe is wonderful. It smells wonderful. Even though I don't usually say 10 out of 10. I'm more harsh on this one, but this one, I'll give it a solid 9.9 out of 10. That's still a 10. That is still a 10. Don't say, give it a 10, Bino. That is still a goddamn 10, okay? Okay. But overall, I love this shoe, and yeah, let me take out the other one. Like, look at this. Look at this shoe, man. Look at this. Man, these shoes is just wonderful. Like, literally. Whew. On feet as well, too. Like, the only thing I would say, StockX, they go for a lot. I don't know specifically, but I'll make sure to put the information in the video as well, too, how much they go for purchasing for the toe and also for reselling. I know you resellers like to switch up prices and stuff like that. So I know what y'all about. I know, trust me. It's okay, though. But this shoe is amazing, and yeah, I just can't wait to rock them, you know? But now, let's get to this on-foot review. Let's go.